Hello guys, welcome on quick checkup of all the drying and washing programs. There we have a HAIER iPro 5 washer dryer. So let's open the programs in the smart application and we're gonna start from the wash cycle. As you can see there we have the allergy care, the anti-lights, anti-odor, and the other one you can check it on this list, like a cashmere, chocolate stains. As you can see there are a lot of programs with the information about the maximum capacity and the temperature. Okay, now we can go to the drying. There we have the only few one, and the wash and dry. And that's it. This is the same like in the wash and drying. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.